Hey guys, welcome to our channel. Today we're standing in front of the 2025 Toyota RAV4. So not much new on this model year from last year, but we know you're gonna love all the options that come along with it. 2025 RAV4 comes in both hybrid and gas again this year, with the hybrid getting better fuel efficiency. If you're already convinced and you wanna snag one for yourself, check out the helpful links below to start your shopping process. So before we take a deep dive in everything the 2025 RAV4 has to offer, let's talk about the important things you should know before your test drive. So 2025 RAV4 is available in 11 models, 7 of which are hybrid. That means you're gonna have tons of options whether you want a gas or a hybrid SUV. It has a starting MSRP of $28,850. Now follow me and let's get into the exterior of this new model year. 2025 RAV4 exterior is so sporty, but it also has an element of sophistication. So you're gonna get alloy wheels that come in multiple designs, colors, and sizes. It has LED lighting in the front and back, and you get 14 different paint colors to choose from. If you come around to the back, you'll see that there is a convenient power liftgate back here. You just open it like this with a button. But if you upgrade to the limited model, you will get the hands-free function, which is super convenient if you have your hands full. And you can get low profile roof rails. This gives you a little bit of extra cargo space up top for your road trips. So we know that everybody loves a little bit of edge in their life, even in the RAV4, and that's why we love the new Woodland Edition. So this special new Toyota has unique features like front and rear mudguards. You're gonna get TRD 18-inch bronze wheels, which look awesome, and you're gonna get black badging throughout the interior and exterior. Now on top of that, you get a cool rear spoiler, and you're gonna get front and rear wheel spats that make it look even edgier than your normal RAV4. Now let's pop into the interior so you can see just how comfortable this new RAV4 is. When you open the 2025 RAV4, the first thing you're gonna notice is how versatile the interior is. It seats 5 with no problem. Like, it's so spacious and comfortable in here. This particular model is the XLE Premium. So as you can see, it has these sleek Softex seats that are also heated in the front. You're gonna have a digital gauge cluster that you can actually customize to your liking and convenience. And you have different charging outlets, including a 12-volt outlet right here in case you like to go camping. So you can opt for dual zone automatic climate control in some models of the RAV4, which means no matter where you sit in the cabin, you're going to be comfortable. It has ambient lighting throughout, which really sets the vibe for your drive time. And also this model has a power moonroof. And in some models, you can opt for a panoramic moonroof to really let the outside in. Moving back to the trunk, you get up to 38 cubic feet of cargo space. You can see my buddies here to demonstrate. You also get a tonneau cover to hide your belongings. So that's an insane amount of cargo space for such a small and fuel efficient SUV. You've seen the exterior, you've seen the interior. Now let's get back into the driver's seat to see how it rides. Okay, so right now we're in the hybrid model. You know it comes in gas and hybrid. I personally prefer the hybrid model because it's really quiet inside the cabin. Also, you get that better fuel efficiency, so you're gonna save a ton of money on gas. This particular model also has that Softex interior that we mentioned, which gives it a sleek luxury feel, but without that luxury price tag, which is key. Driving it, you know, I feel really solid and stable in the driver's seat. It's not a huge SUV by any means, but you definitely feel safe when you're handling it. It has super responsive handling, it has responsive braking without being touchy, smooth acceleration. Overall, you feel really in control in the driver's seat. And the one thing that I really love about RAV4s, especially this year, is that there's so many variations and options available. So you can get things like all-wheel drive, multi-terrain select, even TRD tuned performance parts. No matter what you like to do in your free time, there's a RAV4 that meets your needs, and I'm here for it. Now you've seen how the RAV4 drives, so let's take a peek under the hood and talk a little bit more about the performance. Okay, so we've said this, the RAV4 for 2025 comes in hybrid and gas models. The gas models are gonna get up to 30 miles per gallon combined, which is amazing for an SUV. Hybrid models get up to 39 miles per gallon combined. That is incredible, you're gonna save so much money. Now this model is an XLE Premium, it's a hybrid. So you have a 2.5 liter dynamic force 4-cylinder engine under the hood. That's gonna get you 219 combined net horsepower. You're also gonna get multiple drive modes in this model. It has EV, Eco, Normal, and Sport. Now the 2025 RAV4 has up to 8.6 inches of ground clearance. You're also gonna be able to tow up to 1,750 pounds with features like trailer sway control. So when I say that this RAV4 is ready for anything, I mean it. It is really ready for any adventure that you have planned. Some models of the 2025 RAV4 even have multi-terrain select, so you'll get drive modes including mud, sand, snow. You can also get TRD tuned suspension on some models if you like to take things out on the trails. Let's talk about the technology and safety that the new RAV4 has. So the 2025 RAV4 is loaded with tech that we know you're gonna love. First of all, you're gonna have an 8 to 10.5-inch Toyota audio multimedia system. This means you get access to things like wireless Apple CarPlay, wireless Android Auto, and Sirius XM. On some models, you can also upgrade to a premium JBL 11 speaker sound system to amplify your jams. You'll have plenty of USB ports for charging, and some models include Qi wireless charging, so you can charge your devices and leave all your cords at home. The 2025 RAV4 is also packed with the greatest safety features you would expect nothing less from Toyota, which includes the pre-collision system with pedestrian detection and lane departure alert. You're going to get Toyota's Star safety system that has features like brake force distribution and smart stop technology. Plus, there are 8 airbags throughout the cabin in an advanced airbag system, and you even have the latch system in the back seat for car seats to keep the kiddos safe. If you want some extra eyes, some models of the 2025 RAV4 have a panoramic view monitor. It gives you a 360-degree overhead view of what's around your car, and you can also always get an integrated backup camera. Makes it super simple to back in and out of spots, crowded parking lots, makes your life easy. Now you know everything there is to know about the 2025 RAV4, so which model are you taking home? Comment your pick below. And if you're ready to start your shopping process, you can use our online shopper tool to start building your deal, customizing your monthly payments, value your trade-in, and more. You can also call Toyota Clermont at 352-404-7000 or stop by and see us. We're at 16851 State Road 50, just west of the Florida Turnpike.